Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy crypto on Coinbase Wallet. Alright guys, so your first step would be to locate the Coinbase Wallet mobile app. Once you've opened the mobile app, you're dropped at the home screen or on the wallet menu. So how can you go about buying cryptocurrency on Coinbase Wallet? All right, it's quite simple. There are two options. You could either buy crypto using your credit card or you could swap crypto. So let's say you have some available cryptocurrency as I do, Ethereum base and BNB, Solana. You could easily convert from one cryptocurrency into another or you buy it with your credit card. So I will be showing you the options. So if you click on buy, make sure you're in the US or any other country, and then you can pay using your debit card with guest checkout. So the cryptocurrency is set to base, which is base Ethereum. So you can click on the network and select the mainnet Ethereum or Bitcoin or Avalanche or Polygon or Solana. You can buy Solana. But I'm going to be going with base. And then for, let's say, $100 worth of base Ethereum, you're getting 0.03 ETH. And all you need to do now is click on continue to payment. And you're taken to the third-party website where you can easily enter your details such as your debit card info, your home address, your SSN, whatever is required to identify you as a citizen of that country. You need to input that there and simply make the transaction. And then once it's done, you'll find your Ethereum there. But let's say you want to get base Ethereum via a swap. The only way you can get base Ethereum via a swap is by, first of all, having some base Ethereum to cover your gas fees. You can do that by clicking on the wallet address icon, which is at the top here. And then when it says Ethereum address, click on it. And then you can copy your Ethereum wallet address. And with your deposited base Ethereum from another wallet, all you need to do now is simply where it says swap at the top of your screen, click on swap. And then from base Ethereum to a different token. So let's switch their places. So it says something else. So like in place of base Ethereum, let's select the degen token. So from degen, which is on the base network, over to base Ethereum itself. Click on this and then enter an amount of degen tokens you'd like to swap for the base Ethereum. And once you've entered an amount, all you need to do is click on continue. Then go ahead and click on swap. Enter your passcode, Face ID, fingerprint, and boom, the transaction is completed. All right, so click on done, perform a reload, and boom, you've bought a token. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and don't forget to like and subscribe.